Hello there and welcome to Un Café Avec, where we're going to have an intimate and independent EU debate. I'm Pauline and I am talking to you from the Jade Coffee. Today, let's talk about COP21 negotiations. The major global conference has started 2 days ago, and until the 11th of December, political leaders from all over the world will be reunited in France. For the first time in over 20 years of UN negotiations, the conference should end up with a legally binding climate change agreement which should come into effect in 2020. Actually, the main goal is to keep global warming below the famous 2-degree threshold through a sharp reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. The EU positioned itself as a leader in climate policy, but where do we stand today? What is the role of the European Union in these negotiations? What are the EU's red lines? These are the questions we will try to answer in this first Un Café Avec debate. Today, I have the pleasure to welcome our two guests, Anna-Kaisa Itkonen, the spokesperson for climate action and energy for the European Commission, and Florent Marcellesi, the Spanish Greens spokesperson in the European Parliament.
I think we have a fairly significant role in acting as a glue between the different kind of coalitions that are building at the moment. What we also want, that we want very, very robust transparency and accountability for anything that has been decided.
None of the leaders was brave enough just to say that we're not going so good with the contributions that we have in COP21. Because if we see really what we are saying, what Obama is saying, what Juncker is saying, what Xi Jinping is saying or Putin is saying, is that we are not on the pathway of 2 degrees at the end of the century. And that's the big problem.
What the EU can do to not repeat the same mistake.
Listening to Juncker just announce that we want some more contributions for everyone and say that the European Union, for example, wants to be much more ambitious about that. But we can still do that. So I hope that Cañete, I hope that not Juncker right now, but Cañete in that case, I hope him to say that we want to have a better contribution before the end of the 2 weeks.
What can be done is to, with the regular review after COP, to give the possibility and to put the pressure to actually raise the level of ambition, throughout years, we might be able to do actually quite a lot.
Thank you for watching this debate and see you next time at Un Café Avec.